Good morning, Sandy. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? I spoke with you the other day, and as promised, here is your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick and go through your website in this video to do an audit and just show you some of the places where your website is lacking and why it's farther down for roofing in Columbus, Ohio. So the first thing I want to go over in your website is your content. I can see that you have some nice photos and a really nice layout, but not enough content. And one thing I can tell you about Google is that they love content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, and you guys only have about 300 words on here. If someone is searching for roofing in Columbus, Ohio, Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Google's looking for keywords. They're trying to figure out what that website should be found for. So when Google comes in, they are crawling your website content. They're trying to figure out what services you offer and what areas you serve. And if someone is searching for roofing Columbus, Ohio, and you literally have the term roofing Columbus, Ohio on your website, that's going to make you a lot more relevant and make it much more likely that you're going to show up towards the top. All right. So, and you want to have these keywords listed 10 to 15 times. This is really going to ensure that they'll be able to find you. Now, if we go to a search for roofing Columbus, Ohio, we can see that all these guys are running ads here. And this is called the map pack. So the top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find, right? They're right at the top. They're listed right away. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within these top three positions so that the most amount of people are going to find you. If you take a look at this first website here, Newman Roofing, we can see that it's a nice website here. All right. They don't have too much content on here. So if you guys got your content up to 1,500 words, you'd definitely be beating them out content-wise. So let's talk about why they were listed first. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what we're up against. So the second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. These ratings are really important to your placement on Google. The UR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. And the DR rating shows how powerful you are in their eyes. These numbers are generally raised by backlinks. We can see that they have about 1,800 backlinks coming from 107 websites, and 70 of those are powerful websites. Now, a backlink refers to a link that is pointing back to your website. So a good example of this would be if a blogging website wrote an article about roofing companies, and then they listed your website URL as a company they were recommending. Okay, that'd be one backlink. And so Google pretty much looks at everything like a popularity contest. Now let's take a look at their organic keywords. These are the keywords in their content that I was talking about before. For example, roof repair Columbus, Ohio. There's approximately 100 people Googling that every month. Roofing Columbus, Ohio. There's roughly 200 people Googling that a month. Roofers Columbus, Ohio. Another 150. Roofing Company, Columbus, Ohio, another 80. Roof Repair, Columbus, Ohio, another 100. Columbus, Ohio, roofing, another 40, right? There's a lot of people searching for these roofing terms in Columbus. And that's really important. You want to show up towards the top for as many of these words as you can. The more people that find you, the more people that go to your website, and then the more people that call you. So when we take a look at your website's ratings, we can see that your UR rating and DR rating are definitely lower. You only have 16 backlinks coming from 9 websites, and 3 of those are powerful. When we look at your organic keywords, we can see that you have some important keywords here. All right, Columbus restoration. Okay, there's approximately 20 people searching for that. But it says you're definitely not on the first page or in roughly middle of the second page. Ohio restoration, okay, that's not bad, but again, definitely not on the first page. Siding repair, which is good, 70, still pretty far down. Siding Columbus, another good one. So you have some important ones. It doesn't look like you have any of the roofing ones. No, but you do have some good keywords in here. You're just really far down for them. But in this video, we went over how you can get yourself higher up and onto that front page. So one, through your home page and how you're going to want at least 1,500 words on here. Two, through your UR and DR ratings and how you'd want to raise those numbers with backlinks. And then three, your backlinks. So what your competition has and how to beat them out. By showing Google you have more authority. If you implemented these strategies today, you could be on the front page of Google. I wanted to go ahead and record this video for you. I hope that it was helpful and I really appreciate hearing any feedback you have. Have a great day.